Okay, welcome to UGC Net Computer Science student. So here one of the paper 2 unit is artificial intelligence. So in which we have artificial intelligence, neural network and fuzzy logic. This is coming under neural network concept. So I read out the question and I will explain the entire solution for this question. Consider the two class of classification task that consist of following points. Actually, they are having two classes of points. Class 1 minus 1 and minus 1 1 1 minus 1. Another class C2 1 comma 1. Okay, they are asking what is the decision boundary between these two class of problem statement. So actually the decision boundary between the two class of C1 and C2 using single perceptron is given by. So they are asking which line will separate these two class separately. Okay. So now options are x1 minus x2 minus 0.5 equal to 0, option B minus x1 plus x2 minus 0.5 equal to 0, and 0.5 into x1 plus x2 minus 1.5 equal to 0, and finally x1 plus x2 minus 0.5 equal to 0. Okay. Now how to solve this problem? Okay, so before going to decide which line is separating these two class, and you want to work out all the option. Okay, option A, for which the line statement this one, I can rewrite this as x2 equal to x1 minus 0.5. Now you want to take x1 as some point 0 to minus 1, and then you want to substitute this x1 value in x2 equation, and you will be getting x2 points. Okay, suppose you are substituting x1 as 0. Now what happened? This will be 0. Now x2 equal to minus 0.5. Like that, if you are substituting 2 here, 2 minus 0.5 equal to 1.5. Now if you are substituting minus 2 here, then it will be having what is that, minus 2.5. Okay. So this range of value enough, 2 to minus 2 is enough. Okay, so like that, option B I solved here. Okay, so x2 equal to x1 plus 0.5. So for that, if you are substituting 0 to minus 2, here you will be getting 0.5, 2.5 minus 1.5 respectively for this problem choice. Okay, so if you are taking C option, then it will be rewritten x2 equal to 3 minus x.1. For that, if you are substituting this value to this equation, you will be getting 3, 1, 5 for 2, 2 minus 2 respectively for x1 into x2. Okay, like that for option D here. Okay, so we'll be having. So now after that, we want to plot one so graphical representation. So this x-axis x1, y-axis x2. Okay, so here what happen is first I want to represent all the classes of points 1 comma 1, 1 comma minus 1, minus 1 comma minus 1, 1 minus 1 comma 1. Okay, now I want to take option A points. So this will be what happens, 0 comma minus 0.5. Okay, so 0 is here x1 and x2 minus in the sense here. Okay, so that will be around okay, so x2 is here and x1 is 0. So now this point, like that we are plotting 2 comma minus 1. So this may be here. Okay, so then you want to have the line. Okay, now what happen is another point is minus 2 comma minus 2.5, that will be coming here. If you are drawing line, this will not separating this class. Actually 1 comma 1 is one class and remaining all points are another class. Okay, so now this is not answer. Like that, if you are choosing for option B, this also going like this. Okay, you will be doing yourself. And then for option C, so your points going like this. Okay, for option D itself, your point is going. So I will explain now. So because 0 comma 0.5, okay, that point is here. Okay, and now 2 comma minus 1.5, okay, 2 comma minus 1.5, 2 is here and minus here, so this point, okay, and now minus 2 comma 2.5, this will be coming here. So now you draw this line, this will separate class A as well as class 1 as well as class 2 separately. So this is the option D is correct line for separating these two class, okay. Thank you for watching. Thank you.